All of you see, children, question number 11th here. I think we have done last class, Krishna.
Yes, sir.
This question we have done in last class.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir, we have.
We have done, sir.
Okay, once again you do very fastly. After this question we'll start again. Total surface area of right circular slant height. So this is your cone in which you are having L is equals to 13 centimeter and your total surface area is given. Total surface area is 90 pi centimeter square. So TSA formula is TSA formula is pi RL plus pi R into L plus R, right? Pi R into L plus R is equals to 90 pi. So pi will get cancelled. Pi get cancelled. L value already you know, so we can write here L in bracket 13 plus R is equals to 90, correct? So we're getting it as R into 13, that is 13R plus R square is equals to 90, and we can write R square plus 13R minus 90 is equals to 0. We have bifurcated, right? This one we have bifurcated, right? Akshat,
Yeah, sir.
you are understanding? If you're not understanding, please let me know if any steps if you're having doubt, because if
Okay,
you know
sir.
the formula you can do it. I'll just tell you only one concept here. In this question we are using only one formula, that is, you remember TSA of cone is pi R into L plus R. Okay,
Yeah, sir.
so pi, all of you on the camera. Akshat, Sai, Charan, what happened to you?
Sir,
Sai,
no, sir, no.
Sai, Charan,
Sir,
on your camera.
sir, yes.
The next, Akshat, today what happened to you?
1 minute, sir.
So next we can write here R square. What we can bifurcate, Krishna?
Sir, we can write it as R into R plus 8 into 5 into R plus 8.
No. I'm asking only bifurcation part, you tell me. Plus 13 are bifurcation only.
R square plus 8x plus 5x minus 90.
8x minus 8x you should write, right? What you should write here? Minus 90, how it will come? Minus 90.
Sir, 8x and 5x, sir.
8 5 is 40 will come, no? How 90 will come? 90 we should get, right, Krishna?
Yes, sir.
See, product is minus 90 and sum is plus 13. That you should see, no? Product is minus 90 R square and sum is plus 13 R. What will come, Nihar?
Sir, 18 and minus 5.
Yes, 18 and minus 5. So plus 18 R and minus 5 R you have to write, and minus 90 is equals to 0. See, you have to write here plus 18 R and minus 5 R. So R is common, R plus 18. 5 is common, R plus 18 is equals to 0. So R is equals to, you'll get 5 and minus 18. So minus 18 is not required. So radius we got it as 5 centimeter. Again, now we have to find volume. The volume is equals to pi R square H. So pi is 22 by 7. Radius square is 5 into 5. And height is, what is height over here? Height we have to find by L and R, right? So H is equals
Sir,
to
they've
root.
asked to take pi as 3.14.
Okay, 3.14 we can take. So if you solve this, you'll get 12. So I'm just taking that only what you're saying here, 3.14. 3.14 into 5 into 5 into 12.
Sir, 3 is also there. 1 by 3 is also there. No volume of cube.
Achha,
Volume of
1 by 3,
1 by
yes.
3 pi r cube. Pi r
1
square.
by 3. The 3 4s are 12.
So the answer is 314.
314 centimeter cube. Is it clear to everyone? Last time we have done this question. Okay. Anyway, now we're going to do question number next. Shall I go to next question? Anyone having doubt? Akshat, it's clear to you now?
Yeah, sir.
Any if you're having small doubt, you please ask,
Yeah, sir.
because this is new for you. If you don't know the formula, it's a bit difficult to everyone who is not knowing the formula and concept. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So question number 12 is like, the area of base of conical solid. The area of the base of conical solid is 38.5 centimeters square and its volume is 154 centimeter cube. Akshat, your camera is working, right?
Yeah, sir.
So don't off your camera. See what I'm saying here. From basic concept, what we are getting from the question we are trying to write here. Area of the base. Base means your circle. Okay, Akshat? So area of circle. Area of base is what we can write. Formula of area of circle is pi r square. Okay, Akshat?
Yeah, sir.
So area of base is given 38.5 is equals to pi r square, means 22 by 7 into r into r. So r square, if you want to write, what will write? 38.5 into 7 divided by 22. Is it clear to everyone, children?
Yes, sir.
So r square, you just cancel here. 8, 5, 11. It will go by which table this will go? 1 jar 22. This is going by any table?
Sir, our radius is 3.5.
How we got? How we can cancel this?
Sir, by 11.
11 this will get cancelled. 8 minus 8 0. Yes. So 11 2s are 22. The 3.5 will get here. So 3.5 means you can write what? 7 into 0.5, right? Into 7 divided by 2. Correct? Again, for this point, if you want to remove, this will come 10 over here down. So for 10, we can write 5 into 2. Okay. So 5 get cancelled. So answer is what? R square. If you R you want, you write here 7 by 2, because everything is repeated twice. 7 is 2 times and 2 is also 2 times, right? So 7 by 2, that is 3.5 centimeter. Anyone having doubt in this radius part?
No,
Radius. Okay, now volume is given 154 centimeter cube. So volume is equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h. And we have to find here, find the curved surface area of solid. The CSA of solid is nothing but pi RL. So how, see, pi we know, R also we know. So L we have to find now. So if you find L here, how to find L? If you know H, so H will get from here, second equation. So volume is equals to, we can write it as volume is equals to 1 by 3 pi 22 by 7. Radius is 335 by 10, we can write. Again 35 by 10 into what is the height we have to find, and volume is given 154. So H is equals to 154 into 3 into 7 into 10 into 10 whole divided by 22 into 35 into 35. Is it clear to everyone? So what we have done, what is down here, that all things will sent up here, and what is up here, that we sent it down. Okay, now we start cancelling. 22 sevens are, I just cancel by some 22 sevens are 154, 7 5s are 35, again 7 5s are 35, 5 2s are 10, again 5 2s are 10. So we get height is equals to 12 centimeter. So if you know here R and H, if you know R and if you know H, We can find L now. So L is equals to root over h square plus r square. The h square is 12 square plus 3.5 square. So root over 144 plus 12.25. So 156.25 will get. So answer what will get? Nihar?
Sir, 12.5.
12.5. If we take out root, children, okay? If you cannot find the root and
Answer is 137.5.
answer is 137.5. Let me check. Oh, yeah,
Still I'm getting that.
137.44 is given. Okay, fine. So children, we make one note. If you are having doubt in finding roots and all, just let me, you can ask separately, not a problem. Okay. So this answer is 12.5. So please raise the hands if you are having doubt to finding this root. So 22 by 7 into 35 by 10 into 125 by 10. See, I'm just removing the root point from here. If here the point is given, that point I removed and put here 10. 12.5 is there. After removing this point, this 10 is coming. Okay. So now next 7 5s are 35. Again 5 2s are 10. Again 5 2s are 10. And 25 5s are right. 2 11. So now 25 into 11, or you can write 25 into 11 divided by 2, the 5.5. What answer are you getting? 134.5, right?
I'm
134.
getting 137.5.
137. So just multiply here, you may get one that only 137. Just check. 137.5 centimeter square. Is it clear, children, to everyone?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
So first we find radius, then we find height. After finding radius and height, A. After finding radius and height, we got it as L. L is equal to 12.5. So we're putting the values pi, r, and L. We'll get the answer as 137.5. Next question is question number 13th. See, the next question is a vessel in a form of inverted cone. The vessel is just like ulta cone, okay? Vessel is just like ulta cone. Will be like this, okay? Just see here. This is your inverted cone. Is filled with water to the brim. What is brim, Akshat? You know brim? What is brim?
No, sir.
Brim is till top. Till top is filled, okay? Water is filled till top. Its height is 32 centimeter. Height from here to here, that is 32 centimeter. Hey, chota aja bhai. Wait, I'll close and open. It's not open. इसमें जो है
Sir, could you show the question?
1 minute. It's got deleted actually. 1 minute. I just Close, it was not opening, no, that's why I just. You can see now.
Yes.
So height of this cone h is equals to 32 centimeter. Diameter of the base means you can write radius. Radius is 25.2 divided by 2. So what you'll get? 12.6, right? 12.6 you get centimeter. This is the radius is given and your height is given. We can find L also if you want. So next what they're asking, 6 equal solid cones are dropped into it. See, small cones are there like this. Okay. How many cones are there? 6 cones. 6 cones are going to drop into this bigger cone. This is your bigger cone, and now we are going to put 6 small cones inside the bigger inverted cone. Okay. So that they are fully submerged. As a result, what is happening? Result is after submerging, what is the result? 1/4 of the water. 1/4 of water overflows. Is it clear, children? What question is they are asking? Understood?
Yes,
So
sir.
what is the volume of each of the solid cones submerged? What is the volume of each of the solid cones submerged? Once again, I'm repeating the question. This is your bigger cone, which is in which water is filled up to the brim. Okay. In this bigger cone, we are going to put small cones inside this. How many cones we are going to put? 6 cones. We are going to put inside this. After putting the small cones, result is 1/4 of the water flown out. 1/4 of the water flows out. It means that volume of 6 cones, 6 small cones is equals to what? 1/4 volume of what? Huh? What?
So what's the answer?
Inverted cone. Answer you want? 1 minute, 1 minute.
I just want to confirm.
Answer is 2 to 1.76.
Okay, sir.
You got?
No, sir, I got different.
So this, children, this what I've written in red color, all of you understood this point? Volume of 6 cones is equals to 1/4 of volume of inverted cone. You understood or not?
Yes, sir, even I have done that only.
Akshat?
Sir, how is it 1/4?
Because here they've given water is flown out, no? 1/4 water is flown out. If you're going to put a small cone inside this inverted cone, so what is the volume of these 6 cones? These 6 cones are there, no? These 6 cones, right? So that volume will be equal to what? 1/4 of that. See, given no, 1/4 of water flows out.
Yeah.
1/4 of the water is flowing out means what? That is the volume of a inverted cone. It's clear.
Yeah, sir.
So how many cones you are
Yes,
putting inside? That much water will flow out. That's why here in a volume of 6 cones is equals to.
Sir, answer is 221.76.
I don't know. 1 minute again. I'm just seeing that 221.76.
Yes, sir, I forgot to divide it by 6.
So you
Okay.
told that one is
Okay, fine. Now volume of 6 cones, what we can write here? This cone is given anything. So volume of 6 cones we don't know, right? The 1/4 into volume of inverted cone 1/3 pi r square h. So 1/4 into 1/3 into 22/7 into radius, that is 12.6, 126/10 into 126/10 into height is 32. This much only you have done, Nihar. And one more thing is there. One more thing here they're asking volume of each cone. So suppose here there is 6 cones is there, no? or you can write here one more thing, 6 into volume of one cone. Can we write like this, children?
Sir, or else we can find for 6 cones and then divided by.
Yeah, that I'm saying. The volume of each cone you write here in bracket, and 6 is there. No, this 6 you can divide here like this. 1 by 6 you can write, correct? So volume of each cone is equals to 1 by 6 I did from my side. It's clear why you are writing 1 by 6 here? Is it clear to
Yes,
everyone? Bhumika, it's clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Sai Ritvik, why I'm
Yes,
dividing,
sir.
why I'm dividing by 6 is clear to you, because
Yes.
there are 6 cones. The one cone, if I want to find the 1 by 6 into 1 by 4, 1 by 3, 22 by 7. It's clear, Akshat, what I'm writing here?
Yeah, sir.
Now I'm just writing here once again. Just see, 7 1 just 7, 7 8 is 56. Again, 4 4 8 is 32, 4 8 is 32, 6 3 is 18. Now all of you multiply 22 into 3, 66 into 8. 8 6 are 48, 4. 8 6 are 48 and 4, 52. White tunnel is coming. 1 2 5. We are doing somewhere mistake.
Sir,
We
actually
have
you can cancel that 3, sir.
this 3. This 3 and this 3 get cancelled, right? Acha, here 126 we are not seeing only, right? 1 minute. So what we have to multiply here? 22 into 126 into 8, right? So I'm just going to multiply by help of calculator. That is
22 into
22 into 8, 176, right? Into 126, 22.176, 22.176, and we have to put 0 over here. 221. Is it clear to everyone, children? Anyone having doubt any part of it? So once again, you just try to understand where you might be not getting. See, 1 by 6 you might be difficult, right? Because here volume of each cone I have mentioned, and 6 cones are there, so we have to divide by 6. Okay, so 1 by 6 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 3, 22 by 7. Anywhere feeling difficulty? Sai Ritvik.
No difficulty, sir.
Akshat, you are getting?
Sir, how did we get 22 by 7?
22 by 7 is the value of pi. This is the value of pi, Akshat. Pi
Oh,
is there.
okay.
This value of pi is 22 by 7. Remember, 22 by 7 is the value of pi, or you can write 3.14. Okay.
Yes.
Next question number 14th. Now we do. The volume of conical tent is 1232 meters square. The volume of conical tent is, so you can write here volume is how much? 1232 meter to the power 3. Okay. Area of the base floor is 154 meters square. So area of the base floor means area of the circle part, right? Is equals to how much? 154 meter square. Calculate the radius of the full. What you have to find, just right here. Radius we have to find, question mark. Radius, question mark. Height of the tent, question mark. Length of the canvas used to cover the tent. Width, if its width is 2 meter. So canvas is like a cloth. Okay, children. Canvas is like a cloth. Width is 2 meter is given over here. width is 2 meters. So this length we have to find. Okay. So length of the canvas required to cover. So length of the conical. So length of the canvas we have to find. So we'll go one by one. Okay. So volume is 1232. So formula of the volume is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So I'm going to step very easy steps right now.
The
Just
radius is 7. Sir, radius is 7. Height is 24.
radius is 7. Height is 24.
24.
Okay. Now find the area of canvas. Length of the canvas.
Yes, sir, I'm doing that.
Okay.
Sir, I got 275 meters, sir.
275 meters you got. Okay, fine. Yes. Sai Charan.
Sir,
Means
yes, sir.
if you're getting a small this thing also time you just off the camera, no?
Sir, no.
Satvik, what happened to you?
Yes, sir, length is 275.
Satvik. Now see, volume of is, I'm just writing here 1 by 3 pi r square h is equals to 1232. Now area of the circle is given pi r square is equals to 154. The pi r square value is already given here. So we can write 1 by 3. Now children here see, you may have doubt here. Pi r square value we can get it from here. All right. We are substituting this value. This is second part. This is the first equation. Now pi r square we getting from here. See, this value we are getting from here. So we can write here 154 into h is equals to
Sir,
1 3.
how are we getting it?
See, pi r square is there, no? Area of the circle is given, right? Area of the base is given in the question. See here, in the question, area of the base is 154. Okay.
Yes, got it.
So this base area is 154 meter square. The same thing we are putting instead of pi r square. Now h is equals to what we can write 1232 into 3 divided by 154. So this will go by which table? 8 it will go. This will go by 8. The height is equals to 24 meter. Is it clear till here to everyone? Radius of the floor now. The radius of the floor. How to find radius now? From the second equation, right? See, pi
Sir,
value
I
is.
didn't understand how did we get 24 meters?
See, in 154 table, I'm just writing here 8. The 8 3s are 24.
Yeah.
You can cancel by 2 also. Any table you just try to cancel, you'll get 24 only. 8 into 3, that is 24 meters. Now see, we are finding radius. So 22 by 7 into r square is equals to 154. So r square is equals to 154 into 7 divided by 22. So 22, what will come? This will go by which table? 7. So r is equals to 7. This is clear, Akshat?
Yeah, sir.
So radius you understood, height also you understood. Now we have to find length of the canvas. So how to find length of canvas? See, what is the length of canvas? Tell me, Krishna.
275.
How we are getting 275? That I'm asking.
Sir, this L into
H is equal to L minus L square minus R square, sir. Root L square minus R square.
Sir, you
That, that one you are finding. Okay. How you find? Nihar,
yes, sir.
how you have find length?
Sir, what of the cone or the canvas?
No, canvas. You have to find canvas length, cone, no, length. That only, right?
No, sir, you have to find the cone length also, no? Because we need the CSA of the cone.
Yeah, CSA of the cone. CSA of the cone is equals to
Pi
is
RL.
pi RL. Okay. Then
So then I found the length. Length is 25. Our radius is 7, and then I equated it and I got then the total. Then I equated the CSA with length into breadth, which is so.
L is equal to understood. No, how to get 25? All of you know this, right? L we get 25 by this formula, Pythagoras formula. L is equals to what? 25. Put here 25. So 7 will get cancelled, right? Or once again, I'm just writing here 1 minute. I erase this. Wait for 1 minute. I'm just letting this will be x meters we have to find. I'm not writing here a because you'll get confused. I'm writing here x meters b. This is x meters. Okay.
I
So
did this CSA with the x into 2, and then I got the answer.
yeah, see CSA of the cone is nothing but this area, that is length into 2, right? You are getting all of you. This by the help of cone, how we are making? By the help of this cloth only, we are going to make this cone. Okay. So CSA part only we are using because we have to tent is only this part. We are not getting, we don't want this one, right? So CSA of the cone is equals to area of this canvas. So pi RL is equals to x into what? 2. X into 2. So pi is 22 by 7. Radius is 7. What is L? 25 x into 2. 7 cancelled. Then x is equal to 22 into 25 divided by 2, 11. Then what will get? 275. 275 meters of cloth is required. 275 meters of canvas is required. Is it clear here? This is only very important part. Why CSA is x into 2? This is only mainly you should remember. You should understand here itself. Okay. Anyone who is having doubt, Akshat, it's clear to you? No, I don't think it's clear to you, right, Akshat?
Yeah, sir.
Deepshikha, it's clear what I've written here.
Yes, sir.
Pulastya,
Sir, can you explain it once again?
you are having doubt in this part only, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm just going down, I was telling once again. So many children will not understand what is actually the question is asking. See, first of all, try to understand here. This is your conical tent. We have to make this conical tent by the help of canvas. This is the canvas which you are going to use on the CSA part only. Okay, we have to use in CSA part because ground part is your made up of mud and all, right? Soil will be there, no, so no required here. This is here, there is no required of canvas. All right, children. So CSA of the cone, how much area you're coming of this CSA part, that is the only area of this rectangle. Is it clear, Bhumika?
Sir.
So by the help of this cloth only we are going to make this CSA of cone. And it's clear now?
Yes, sir.
So what we have to do is curved surface area is nothing but area of rectangle. Understood? Or area of canvas you can write. Area of rectangle. So area of CSA is nothing but pi RL is equals to x into 2. Hope you understood now, right?
Yes, sir. No.
Anyone is still having doubt in this? Sai Ritvik? Diksha?
No doubt, sir.
Diksha? Okay, next question is, okay, now we are going to start the sphere one, okay? You know sphere? What is sphere? Sphere question we are going to do now, okay? So, I'm just changing here exercise name, that is 20C I'm writing now. 20C. And I'll write here sphere. See, first of all of you just try to understand who are doesn't know about the sphere. Remember here, just write down volume of the sphere. This is like a ball. Volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. CSA and TSA, this both are same only. There is because there is 4 pi r square. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Huh? R cube. CSA you are saying? CSA part?
Yes, sir.
Krishna, CSA, area is always square only, okay? It's not cube, remember. 4 pi, this is 2-dimensional, no? The 2R is coming in area, right? In 3-dimensional, 3 times will come. So a surface area of the sphere is 42464. Find its volume. So for volume, what is the formula for volume? 4 by 3 pi r cube. If you don't draw the radius only, we can't find the volume. So this is the hint given to us. So from the first part, we can find the radius. The surface area of the sphere is equals to 4 pi r square is equals to 2464. So 4 into 22 by 7 into r square is equals to 2464. R square is equals to 2464 into 7 divided by 4 into 22. 22 table.
This is 14.
Okay, 14 is coming. All right.
Yes.
So 22 ones are 22, then 2 will come again. 22 ones are 22, then 4 twos are okay. Then 4 twos are 8, 3, 4
Is it
eights are
196?
the 7. See, 28 into 7 is coming, right? R square. Again, we can write 78. 28. What we can write? 7 into 2 into 2 into 7. So R is equals to one pair of 7. This pair is, so R is what? 14 centimeter. All of you got the answer?
Yes, sir.
14 into 14 into 14.
Sir, how
7
did
to,
we get 14?
because see, here R square is there, no? So if you're finding R, we have to make pair over here. The 7 and 7 will be only one time you should write, okay? That is only 7. 2 and 2, only 2 you should write. The 7 twos are 14.
Yeah, I got it.
So if you're getting any square, you have to try to make it a pair. Because see, one small example I'm giving to you. Root 4, what we are writing? 2. Why? Because root 4 you can write 2 into 2. So this become pair. So answer is 2. It's clear to you?
Yeah, sir.
So now we just solve here now. So 7 twos are 14. Then anything, you can't cancel this. You can't cancel, right?
No, sir.
So answer is coming 11498.67, right? 11498.67. You are getting the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Diksha, what you are speaking at home? Something you are telling?
Nothing, sir. Sorry.
I'm not telling to off the camera. You can on. But see here itself. Answer something. You're not responding at all. So question number 2. Volume of the sphere is 38808 centimeter cube. Find its diameter and surface area. You have to find diameter and so all of you try once. Find the diameter means you have to find radius. Surface area means 4 pi r square. If you know radius, we can find everything. So how to find radius? This is the hint for us. Okay. So 4 by 3 pi r cube is equals to 38808. So 4 by 3, 22 by 7, r to the power 3 is equals to 38808. Akshat is clear with understanding or not?
Yeah, sir.
Only 2 formula you are using, Akshat. It's not new for you now. This is new concept what I started. This is the volume of sphere and this is the CSA of a sphere. The only two formulas are there, okay? So now r to the power 3 is equals to 38808 into 3 into 7 whole divided by 4 into 22. What is down? We are sending up. 3 and 7 is down. We have sent up here. And what is up that we are sending down? This 4 and 22 we have sent down. Can we cancel by 22? This will go by 22. 11 table, this will go. 8, 8, 16, 16, 3, 19. 19 minus 8, 11. Yeah, this will go by 11. 11 2s are 22. 11 3s are 33. 5 5s are 55. 3 2s are 22. 8 8s are 88. Okay. Now this will go by 4. 4 8 8s are 32. 3 8s are 32. 4 2s are 8. Now 2. 4 4 1. So 4 4 1 into 21 you do. 4 4 1 into 21. 4 4 1 8 8 2. So 9 2 6 1. Right? So 9 2 6 1. Hey, why I'm multiplying this much? I don't know. I just find simply I'm going multiplying. So 41 we can write it as what? 41 we can write it as 21 into 21, right? 21 into 20 is 441 only, into 3 into 7, correct? See, 441 here can be written as 21 into 21.
And then 21 can be written as 3 into 7 each.
Yes. So 21 again can be written as 3 into 7 into 3 into 7 into 3 into 7. So
So R is 21.
everything is repeated three times, and this one is 2 times, 3 times this one also. So this is r to the power 3. If we write r, Akshat, see here, power 3 is there, no? So we have to make 3 pairs. So how much pairs? 1, 2, 3. So you're writing here 3. 7 is 1, 2, 3 times, so into 7. So r is equals to 21 centimeters. Clear, Akshat?
Yeah, sir.
If a square was there, we're making 2 pairs. If cube is there, we're making 3 pairs. Okay?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Anyone got the answer of surface area also? So diameter is nothing but 2 times of radius. So 2 into 21, that is what? 42 centimeter is the radius. Sorry, 42 centimeter is the diameter. Radius is 21 centimeter. Now put the value of radius. So 4 into 22 by 7 into 21 into 21. 7 3s are 21. So now you can multiply and get the answer, all of you. I'm just using calculator. 22 into 4 into 63. 5544
554.
centimeter square. So anyone having difficulty anywhere?
Sir, I didn't understand a bit like the R cube.
This one
No, the up one. The
here.
top. Yeah.
See, r cube is here. You can see here r cube.
Yeah, sir.
So if you're writing r cube, so everything you should send on the right hand side. See, this whole part you should send to right hand side. Okay. So what I told, you can see the pink one here. That pink one we have to send up. See, I have sent here up 3 and 7, right? You can see pink one which is mentioned down. See here, 3 and 7 is a pink color. 3 and 7. You can see
Yeah, sir.
that I've sent up numerator side. This will be division, no? So this will go up. See, 3 and 7. Understood or not?
Yeah, sir.
That I've written here on the numerator side. 3 and 7. Again 4 and 22. We're just writing down because it's up, no? So we're writing down. Is it clear to you now?
Yes, sir.
Now we have started cancelling, and after cancelling we are getting here 441 into 3 into 7. So 441 can be again written as 21 into 21 into 3 into 7. Again, 21 can be written as 3 into 7, 3 into 7, 3 into 7. So we got 21. It's clear now? Anyone? Please ask questions if you are having doubt and all. Okay, no one is having doubt now. So next question, I'm just going to start question number 3rd. Spherical ball of lead has been melted and made into identical smaller balls with radius equal to half the radius of the original one. Spherical ball of lead. See, I'm just writing here a spherical one. Ball is there, spherical ball. This is spherical ball of lead. And this is going to melt. Okay. Into
The answer
identical.
is 8.
Answer is 8.
Yes, sir.
Bapre. How fast you have 10? You know the question before or directly answer you told?
Sir, I just solved it.
Shortcut.
Sir, I solved it.
But I typed the, means I just pasted the question right now only, right?
Sir, there were no numbers. No, everything got cut.
Acha, okay. The spherical ball of lead has been melted and made into identical smaller balls. See, smaller balls like this, okay? So we don't know how many smaller balls are there. We let it as X balls are there, okay? With radius equal to half the radius of the original one. Before it was R, or you can write 2R. That is better to use. So this become what? R radius. So here radius is R.
Is it R by 2?
That is also you can write. I'm just first one. I'm just why I'm writing is easy to calculate. No, 2R and R. You can take R and R by 2 also, not a problem. Here radius I'm taking 2R. Here I'm taking R. So how much the small balls will be there? The volume of the bigger one. Suppose this is the volume of 1. This is volume of 2. The V1 is equals to what? V2. So 4 by 3 pi
Pi.
R1 cube is equals to 4 by 3 pi R2
R by
cube.
2 cube.
Yeah, the 4 by 3 will get cancelled.
So it
Pi,
is equal to 8 R cube by 8
and
R
here
cube.
here you should multiply by how much? X also, because this is the volume of X balls, right?
Yeah, sir.
Volume of bigger spherical ball is nothing but equal to X number of smaller balls. So R1 cube is, we can write 2R into 2R into 2R is equals to,
Sir, it should be 4 by 3 pi R2 cube, no, sir.
1 minute. So X is equal to 8 numbers. Now you tell me your doubt.
Sir, it should be pi 4 by 3 pi R2 cube, no, sir. They have written square.
Yeah, here cube, yes. Fine. Anyone still having doubt anywhere? Wait, let me just type once again. Speak what you're saying. Akshat, what happened to you?
Nothing, sir.
Time gone, that's why. Sai Ritvik, Diksha, you have not responded a single question, Diksha, today.
Sir.
Tell me. So children, here only understanding this part, in this question you have to understand here only. See, 4 by 3 pi R1 cube, 4 by 3 pi R2 cube. And why we are multiplying by X? This is the only main. This
So
line you know.
why did we cut them?
Because they are equal on both sides. Equal.
Yeah.
So 4 by 3 is left hand side also, 4 by 3 on right hand side also. So what is equal that we are cancelling here? 4 by 3, 4 by 3, pi, pi. We have to find the value of X here. So X is equals to 2 into 2 into 2. That is 8. Next question is question number 4. So this question is also very easy. how many balls, each radius 1 centimeter, can be made by melting a bigger ball whose diameter is 8? So this is like similar question. So one bigger ball is there, this R1, that is radius is 8 centimeter, okay? So now we are making small balls. We don't know how many balls are there. We just let X balls are there, okay?
Sir, 512.
512. So this radius is equals to what? 1 centimeter. So volume of the bigger one, V1, and this we are writing V2. So V1 is equals to how much V2? X V2 we can write. Volume of the bigger sphere is equals to X. We don't know this X, right? So volume of this bigger one. 1 minute. Volume of this bigger one is equals to X into V2. So V1 is equals to 4 by 3. Again, same thing we are doing. Pi into R1 cube is equals to 4 by X into 4 by 3 pi R2 cube. Then 4 pi here also cancelled same way. So R1 cube, what we can write? 8 into 8 into 8 is equals to X into 1
How did
into
we
1
get
into.
R2 cube?
This is R2 only, no?
Yeah,
So 4 by 3 R2 cube, right?
yeah.
So X is equals to 8 into 8 into 8. 8 cube is 512. So small balls are how many? 512. Anyone having doubt, children? Anywhere? No. Now question number 4. Children, if you won't ask doubt, I can't understand who is understanding or not. Please ask if
Understood,
you're
sir.
anyone who is not.
Sir,
But
it's been
here,
multiplied the diameters, not the radius.
yes, correct. Very nice. See, one child understood here. This is diameter here. So we have to use 4.
So then
4.
it will be 64.
Yes, correct. So we have to write here 4 into 4 into 4. The answer is 64. Because you have to write here R is equals to 8 centimeter, not 4 centimeter, you should write. So
Sir,
answer
I
is
got it
60.
512.
That is wrong, no? Because we are taken diameter. So diameter we should not write, correct? So here this is not radius. This is your diameter. 8 is diameter, so we have to write radius here, right? So radius is 4 centimeter. So answer is 64. Nice, Bhumika. Very good. Next question number 5th one. Last question of the day. 5th one we are doing now. So 8 metallic sphere, each of radius 2 mm. See here children, mm is given. Radius 2 mm. 8 metallic sphere are there. How many spheres? 8 are melted into cast in single sphere. So volume of 8 metallic sphere is equals to what? Volume of single sphere. So we have to calculate the radius of the new one. So see, single sphere, right, V1 is there. For small sphere, right, V2. And each multiply here with 8. Because 8 metallic sphere is equals to how much? One big metallic sphere. Okay.
Sir, 4 millimeter.
4 millimeter you are saying.
Yes, sir.
Yes, 4 mm is the correct answer. So what we can write here? 8 into 8 V2 is equals to V1. So 8 into 1 by 3, 1 by 3, no, sphere, 4, the sphere, right? The 4 by 3 pi r cube, means r1 cube I'm writing here, is equals to 4 by 3 pi r2 cube. So now see, both side 4 by 3 get cancelled. Now we can write here 8 into 2 into 2 into 2 is equals to r2 to the power 3. Now we have to make 3 pairs, right? Akshat, here power 3 is there. So we have to
Yes.
make 3 pairs. So 8, what we can write for 8?
Cube.
2 into 2 into 2. Again 2 into 2 into 2 is equals to r2 cube. Now make pair here 3 pairs. So r2 is equals to 4 mm. I think it's clear to everyone, right?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, children, that's the last question of the day. Tomorrow, what you do, just think and just do 20 questions based on this. Every day, when I'm doing at least 20 questions, you have to do based on this topic. If you're having doubt, call me, ask me, drop the message. If you're having any doubt in the question, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, children, all of you can leave
Sir,
now.
can
Thank
you
you.
repeat it? I couldn't hear the last thing you said.
I'm saying that 20 question, try to do 20 questions. And you have to send me on
Okay.
WhatsApp, or you can do on WhatsApp only. Anywhere, just upload this 20. If I ask, you have to answer that. Okay. Based on surface and volumes, you can do 20 sums. So for practice. Practice 20 sums. It's clear, Pulastya? You have 2 days.
Yes.
Today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow till 8 o'clock. Is it clear?
Okay.
Fine, children. All of you can leave now. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.